the tenant just moved out. I wish I had the video on the day she moved out so I could show you how she left it, but I have some photos here to show you. She did do this. This is rice in the sink. A lot of people think that that's going to cause a lot of trouble for a landlord, but apparently it just goes down in the trap and it's something to clean out, but kind of rude. But anyway, these are the photos of how she left the house. That's kind of typical, what happens. But I just asked my husband to bring me over here and show me what's going on here. They've already started cleaning it out, so let's go see how it looks.